In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the missing Edit with Elementor button in WordPress. This is a common issue that can easily disrupt your website editing process, but with a few straightforward steps, you can have it sorted out in no time. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is where you control all the settings for your website, including the plugins you're using like Elementor. Once you've logged in, head over to the Elementor tab in the side menu and select Settings. This section allows you to choose which content types can be edited using Elementor. In the Settings area, you'll find a tab labeled Post Types. Here you'll notice a list of content types that are currently associated with your site. Ensure that the boxes next to the content types you want to edit with Elementor are checked. If they aren't, just click on them to enable, which should re-enable your Edit with Elementor button for these sections. Once you've made these adjustments, always remember to click Save Changes. This ensures that any preferences you've set are stored correctly, allowing Elementor to function smoothly with these content types. Next, it's crucial to head back to the main dashboard and then to Updates. Keeping your WordPress, theme, and plugins updated is essential for compatibility and security. Make sure everything is up to date, as outdated software can often cause functionality issues, including disappearing features. Equally important is confirming that both Elementor and Elementor Pro are running the latest versions. Version mismatches between the core plugin and its Pro version can lead to issues such as missing buttons or other features not working as expected. If updating didn't resolve the issue, the next step is to troubleshoot your plugins. Start by deactivating all plugins except Elementor. If the button reappears, this indicates a conflict is likely causing the problem. Reactivate each plugin one at a time, checking after each one to see if the button disappears again. Identifying the conflicting plugin will allow you to adjust its settings or find an alternative solution. Lastly, if plugins weren't the cause, switch temporarily to a default theme like Hello Elementor. If the missing button returns, your custom theme might be incompatible with the current settings or plugin versions. From here, consult with your theme's support team or consider switching to a theme known to work well with Elementor. With these steps completed, you should have your Edit with Elementor button back and be ready to continue building and editing your website seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.